Hello lovelies, on today's video I'll be showing you a different recipe on how to make okra and uguleaf soup. With your chicken money, you are good to go. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel? How about now? What is stopping you? Subscribe. Tap the subscription button. It won't take you anything. It won't cost you anything. Subscription is free. So I have those few ingredients. I have cow meat, stockfish. I used the ear of stockfish to be precise. I have crayfish, uguleaf, palm oil, red pepper. I blended it together with onion, then okro. So at this point I've washed the stockfish and cow meat, so I'm about seasoning with no cube, just a cube. I'm not making much soup, so at this point I'm adding salt to the pot. Then after which I'll be adding the blended red pepper with onion. I actually blended the two together. After which I'll allow it to cook. I'll come back after some time to know if the stockfish and meat is soft enough so that I can start adding other ingredients. So it is soft, but I don't want the soup too thick. I would have to add water. So I will allow it to cook just to boil a bit. Then I will start adding the next ingredients. So this is crayfish. This is what I'm doing. I'm adding it at this point. So after which I will stir a bit, then add the next ingredients, which is okra. Yes, okra goes into the pot. I will stir a bit and I will taste for salt too. Oh, the good thing about this soup is it's not expensive. With your chicken money, you are good to go. So I'll be adding palm oil at this point. And after which I will allow it to boil a bit, then I will stir. Then I will add the next ingredients, which is uguleaf. So I will add uguleaf. You don't have to allow it to cook for a very long time. Once you add uguleaf, in the next 2 minutes the soup will be good to go. Test for salt. I used salt and seasoning to season the meat and stockfish, so I will have to test for salt. If it is okay, I don't need to add any salt again. I've tested it and it is okay, so I won't be adding any salt nor seasoning. I will just stir and allow it to boil just for 2 minutes and the soup will be good to go. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, support me by tapping the subscription button, okay? I love you all. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing, thanks for liking. Thank you all my subscribers. I love you all. Thank you. At this point the soup is good to go. Get your fufu, get that swallow, get it, wash your hand, come over, let's start eating it. Hello guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching to this point. I love you all. I do not take your gesture for granted. I do not take your love for granted. Thank you so much.